and we are here at Los Angeles City College promoting our 2019 STEAM Expo in collaboration with the National College Resource Foundation. We're so excited to have all of our students here, all the different exhibitors, and promoting and educating students about the different opportunities in the STEAM field.
I'm just excited because I'm here with a legend, Tuskegee Airman Ted Lumpkin, who has been on this planet for 99 years. He is a true legend who has created history. The reason why we're flying people of color is because of people like Ted Lumpkin. So, thank you for being here.
It's nice to be here, and nice to be here for this event. And you know, I went here for 2 years.
Wow. He went here on this, he went to school here. At LA City College. He went to school at LACC.
From here to UCLA.
From here to UCLA.
And then the war.
Wow.
Then the USC.
Wow. Then the war, then the USC. So LACC to UCLA to war, then to USC. Wow.
Science, technology, engineering, arts, agriculture, aviation, aerospace, and math. That's what today was all about. Just remember, you guys, you could do anything, be anything you want. All you have to do is put in the work and believe in yourself. All things are possible. I'm Dr. Teresa Price. I'm signing out from our 6th annual Students Think STEAM Expo. Phenomenal. It was a success. Godspeed.